Hi everyone, this is Jadeh from Property Frameworks Buyers Agency, and today we're going to further look into supply. So we're going to select two areas in regional Queensland and look at how changes in the supply affected prices in that area. So let's get into it. Two areas that we are going to look into are Rockhampton and Townsville. Both of them are located north of Brisbane. Rockhampton has a population of 80,000 people. Townsville is much bigger. It has a population of 200,000 people. They are both strong economies and they have diversified economies. So let's look at some more data into these two strong regional centers in Queensland. Let's first look at the growth for Rockhampton. So this is the 30-year graph, and I've selected 6 suburbs in Rockhampton here. So what you can see is that between 2002 to 2008, Rockhampton boomed. Prices almost tripled here during this phase. And between this phase in 2008 to 2019, prices were flat. Nothing was happening. And then again in 2019, you can see that prices are picking up again and they have started another growth cycle. Look at the building approvals during a similar time frame. So between 2002 and 2008, what you can see here is that building approvals were steadily increasing in Rockhampton. So during that boom time, more developers got into the market. They saw the opportunity to make money and they were building more houses. So there was more stock being built up during that time frame, 2002 and 2008, the same time that Rockhampton was booming. So in 2008, by the time 2008 hit, there was a lot of stock on the market. There was surplus stock on the market. So because there was so much supply, prices did not go up further. They were flat for a long time, as you saw from that graph. And it's only now in 2019, 2018, 2019, when that dwelling approvals have really gone to very low levels. It's only at this point that all the supply has been soaked up, and now prices are starting to increase again because there's not enough supply. So you can clearly see how that supply has affected price growth in Rockhampton. Graph for Townsville. The same 30-year graph, you can see a very similar trend between 2002 and 2008. Prices boomed in Townsville. The prices almost tripled. And then between this 2008 till 2019, prices were actually starting to decline a bit. And it was only around 2019 when prices started increasing again, and now Townsville is in another growth cycle. Building approvals for Townsville, a very similar trend can be observed. Between 2002 to 2008, when the market was booming, a lot of houses were being constructed. So in 2008, there was surplus stock on the market, and that was one of the reasons why prices declined. The other reason was that demand also started reducing in Townsville as the mining industry was not doing too well, and therefore people were losing jobs, and that demand also did reduce slightly. So that was the reason why prices were reducing in Townsville between 2008 and 2019. But then in 2019, all the excess supply was being soaked up. The Townsville now has a very strong and diversified economy. The unemployment rates are really very low, and you can see that prices are starting to tick up again. So that's another example showing you how supply has played a part in affecting prices in a region.